Hi guys, we have to win the championship race, but we're going to do a second champion final. Alright, so which one do you want to pick next?
First of all, the first video, if you want to go check that out, that is on my channel.
Don't check out, yeah, I won't check, but I won't check that out. I mostly care about my stuff. Which one would you like to take, Cub?
Let's go with you since you're the one doing this because I won it last time.
I think X-ray power.
X-ray power.
Let's go again. It's Taz. Awesome good.
I'm gonna call you Tiger and Mutt. I'm gonna call them Tiger and Mutt.
Taz is not Mutt. He's a Manian Devil. You know the animal Manian Devil.
Tiger. I'm still gonna call him Mutt though. He looks like a Mutt.
But I've got to tell you something. He's not a Mutt. The winner is X-ray power. That one's been fast for the night.
Hey, I have an idea.
Alright, so power one.
How about we take this to this side?
You can't take that.
Why?
The trucks will bump into that. They're not big enough to fit through. They're not small enough to fit through. Man, I guess it's alright, so next race is Michigan Ice Monster.
That is creepy.
Please stop playing that with that, Jacob.